Welcome, everyone, to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. August the 3rd, 2009. What a day. Oh, if there's any day that deserves it, it's today, baby. What a day. What a doggone day. Wow. Well, hopefully, again, you've been tuning into my audio, and some of you people who aren't premium certainly didn't benefit. Hey, there are going to be days, baby, when I don't give it all to you. I got to give you a reason to go premium, right? Come on. But again, that dollar index, busted, done. We're setting ourselves up for a monster turnaround Tuesday, though, people, team. Oh, yeah. We are going to have the mother of all turnaround Tuesdays. Do we go higher and then collapse? I would probably think so. But all I know is this. This dollar index is toast. Busted. B-U-S-T-E-D, baby. Australia, rate decision. Big tonight. We could have a monster pullback and then maybe even rally. Or maybe we explode and then sell off after. I don't know, but this kind of event is a perfect setup. But again, dollar index, it's gone. Again, any reversal, we have to go lower first, in my opinion. We're not just going to reverse on a dime without any news coming out. So to me, we're going lower, baby. Let's take a look at this stock market. Oh, where is it? Oh, no. What'd I do? Oh, boy, hang on. Got to shrink it. Let's take a look at the stock market. S&P futures gone. 1,000 to the moon. Oh, baby. We're going higher. We might get to Goldman Sachs' year-end target tomorrow. 1060 Goldman Sachs. By the way, Goldman Sachs has a 105 price target on dollar yen at the end of the year. Amazing. I think dollar yen probably, goes up a little more, but I think end of the year rally, that does make sense. If the stock market has the end of the year rally, dollar yen should, especially if the market's anticipating a rate increase by the central bank of the United States, the Fed. So, but again, the S&P futures, we're going to close probably right around 1,000. This Bank of America story could have had legs, but it didn't. And again, that's just more bullish indicator for the stock market. Again, end of the day, I can't tell you right now. The time is 2:30. I'm going to try and get you this wrap up a little earlier. Apparently, a lot of you are missing my wrap up because it goes on the Daily FX site too late. So I'm going to try and get this done for you right around now. It's 2:30 p.m. Eastern. The problem with this is obviously if there's a reversal late day, you're not going to benefit on that. I can't get it done quick enough. I got too many responsibilities to my premium members, yada yada. So I'm going to try and get this done every day around 2:30, 3 o'clock, and get it up on that Daily FX site in the early afternoon. But again, to me, S&Ps are gone. Like the win, so much for that little shooting star. Whoever thought that in the email, I forget who it was. Nice call. No shooting star, no soup for you. I'll show you when the shooting star on the S&Ps are. Gold, reversing a little bit here, but again, 960 was my big spot. Certainly reversing a little bit, but with the dollar, really, we're going to take a look at that in a second, but the dollar's very strong. Gold still looks good to me, ready to break out. But again, if gold does reverse and goes negative and takes out, was that 955? I would say the dollar might actually come under, have some nice little upside potential. So again, look for that gold possible reversal for any indication of a dollar reversal. Oil just gone, like the wind. Gone. To the moon, Alice. To the freaking moon. So, hey, listen, we were bulls on oil as soon as we took out that, 68 level? Got to get it on. And again, we got a nice little channel line here, too. Tomorrow's a huge day, people. Huge. If we're going to have any reversal, we got to hit this channel line, right? Gold's got to go up and then reverse. Maybe make a double top. Dollar index has to make new lows. Then we got something. But again, this dollar index, it is busted. Look at that. Gone. Like the wind. Eurodollar. Let's take a look. Oh, baby. Nice little reversal going on right now. Just a pullback, though. This ain't no reversal. Oh, no. We're going up. Again, channel line broken out to the upside. Gone, gone, gone. Gone like the wind. Any pullbacks are to be bought. I do think we reverse. I've said that before, but not until we go a little higher. Big level, though, I'll tell you. Coming right up to it. If you want to do your Fibonacci on the euro, let's do our Fibonacci. Remember, that German retail sales number, that was disgusting. That was a horrible, horrible number. Really bad. What was it? Like negative, what What was the number? Negative 1.8%, and revision was down. Listen, this euro could easily go to 146.14. It could easily go to 146.14. We're at 144. You never know. Just like the lotto, baby. You never know. I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'd say, if anything, again, we're through the 50% retracement from the high to the low. We're busting out of some serious channel lines here. Should we take out 44.50, today's highs, to the moon, Alice? Oh, baby. Dollar yen. Dollar yen lagging, but again, I like this dollar yen. Bond yields are up a little bit. We made some nice money in dollar yen today. We were long. I don't think we lost on anything. How about that pound Aussie call? Hopefully some of you really benefited from that one. Just marvelous. Marvelous. Oh, baby. But dollar yen looks like it's going higher. Dollar yen, I would say, has potential with the stock market being up like this. Maybe we hit a channel line tonight. Dollar yen is due for a nice big update. It's only 100 pips, people. I want a BOP. I'm buying on pullbacks, baby. And how about that London number? Oh, my goodness. What a freaking number. London, I told you, it's just going to keep going one more day. This cable is going to shoot up like a monster. And again, if we do our Fibonacci, let me get rid of all these. If we do our Fibonacci, it depends where you do it from, of course, but if we do our Fibonacci from the high to the low, which I am a firm believer in, that's 173.60 roughly. We're 400 pips away. We can get there. No problem. But again, I think the 171 level, that was another level I seem to recall as being a big spot somewhere in here. And depending upon the different Fibos you do, because obviously we could do a Fib from here. I don't believe in that one. We're through it. So go figure there. You could do your Fib from here, from this level. We're through it. So cable, it's got another big update, baby. And we got more numbers coming out of sterling tonight. And how about that euro sterling? I love that sucker to the downside, too. Oh, excuse my language. I'm going to get in trouble. Look at that euro sterling. Now, yes, it could be a little hammer, but the day's not over. I think this euro sterling pushes lower and closes not good. Muy malo. I think this euro sterling rolling over. Listen, obviously, if we take out 85.40, I have to get bullish. That's bullish engulfing, but that number was terrible. And again, this Australian number tonight, Aussie, to the moon. I thought that article was very weak. I thought I think Stevens is going to have to clarify last month's statement regarding saying that rates are going up, not down. Because his deputy came out and basically said this economy is nowhere near turning the corner. So I think, if anything, monster potential for a reversal in the Aussie tonight. Love the pound Aussie. Love the Drake. Look at this pound Aussie trade. Oh, baby, I love it. Love it. Sterling with good news. Aussie with bad news coming. Bad news rising. Look at this chart. I love it. Let me get to the other ones first. At least a 206. Love it. Oh, baby. Let's go to Euro Yen. Let's go to the tapes. Busting out, people. Downtrend channel is gone like the wind. We're going up. Is it going to be a turnaround Tuesday? I think it is, but guess what? Who knows where we're going to go first? This dollar yen gets jiggy tonight. We could be talking one. We could be early on this, betting against it for a turnaround Tuesday. This thing could go to 140, easy. This is 143. So look out, dollar yen. Dollar yen is the one. Dollar yen could be very scary. So sterling yen, again, remember my summer special this week. It's gone. New website coming, by the way. Look for it at the end of this week. New website. Sterling yen, another one. I mean, look at this chart, people. It just looks so good. Look at that. 170. Here we come. Certainly, maybe even, I'd say, easily. Where are all these lines? Jiminy Christmas. 165. Tonight. And then a monster turnaround Tuesday. Oh, baby. Aussie yen also. Let's take a look at that one, too. Again, rate decision coming out tonight. This baby makes a new high right up here. 80.05. This is a big move. Big move. Oh, Nelly. I got to tell you, I feel a turnaround Tuesday of biblical proportions coming. The question is, obviously, do we sell off in Europe? This Ken Lewis situation also, as far as the fine, maybe. But do we sell off in the U.S.? When do we sell off? That's the million-dollar question. I think we rally first, And if the futures are gapping up, we go lower. Andrew Spanton, make some money. Have a good night.